Well, Mr. COVID says no studio open house this year. Darn it. But you can still come and see what I've been making this past year. Very simple. You just make an appointment, and when you come over, you'll have the entire showroom to yourself. Go shopping, and I think you'll enjoy the experience. When you come to visit, just take the Brook Hollow exit off 281 and come up Palo Grande and park in front of the house. There may not be anyone here to greet you, and that's okay. Just come on through the gate. When you go into the showroom, there will be hand sanitizer for you to give yourself a squirt. Then just go shopping, pick out the pieces you want. There's plenty of newspaper and bags for you to wrap it up, and then take your purchases home. When you get home, add up the price and send me a check, add 8.25% state sales tax, and I think you'll find the experience was easy and pleasant, and you'll find some nice work to boot.
Thanks so much for stopping by our studios. We hope you found something beautiful that you'll enjoy for years to come, and we hope to see you back here again soon.